Today we'll stir-fry broccoli and potatoes with my new Batmala paste. Broccoli has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antibacterial, metabolic disorder, regulation, neuroprotective and renal protective effects. Potato has the functions of strengthening the spleen and removing dampness, detoxifying, and anti-inflammation, lowering blood sugar and lipids, promoting blood circulation and reducing swelling benefit. Broccoli, potato, Sichuan mala paste, onion peel of skin and sliced. Sliced potato. Potato mix with cooking oil, air fried at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Break broccoli into floret. Heat oil. Stir-fry onion until translucent. Add broccoli. Add 3 tablespoons water to cook broccoli. 1 tablespoon Sichuan mala paste. Add potato slices. Season with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Stir fry for another 30 seconds. Plate it. Stir-fry broccoli and potsto slices with Sichuan mala paste is done. The flavors of potatoes, broccoli, and spicy sauce blend together. You can enjoy the slightly spicy and salty flavor, which is really good with the meal. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Enoki mushrooms are rich in vitamins, supplements, and dietary fiber, and have the effects of clearing heat, detoxifying, moistening the lungs, and relieving coughs. Tofu is rich in protein and calcium, and has the effect of supplementing nutrition and strengthening body. This soup tastes sorely and none greasy at all. This is appetizing and comforting food. You can drink a bowl of it as an appetizer soup before a meal, which can reduce the calorie intake of staple food, increase nutrient absorption, reduce fat, and improve beauty. Dried shrimps, corn kernels, carrot, enoki mushrooms, white tofu, chopped garlic. Wash white tofu and sliced. sliced carrot. Wash enoki mushroom and cut into small pieces. Stir-fry dried shrimps until fragrant. Add carrot slices. Pour 1 big bowl hot boiling water, put into boil. Enoki mushrooms. Corn kernels. One teaspoons chicken powder. 1 teaspoons oyster sauce. 1 tablespoons tomato sauce. Add tofu and braise for 30 seconds. Off flame and drizzle sesame oil. Soup is done. Pour soup into soup bowl. You may enjoy a bowl of hot soup now. This soup tastes sour and appetizing, and it's not greasy. There is no burden to drink. A bowl of hot soup is really comforting. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like Easyrecipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with 1 ingredient. Come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.